Are you ready to revolutionize your outdoor adventures? In 2026, smart camping gadgets and high-tech survival gear are changing the game. Whether you're a hardcore minimalist or a family glamour, having the right gear is the difference between a struggle and a masterpiece. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 powerful camping gadgets you will appreciate in 2026. These are the must-have camping essentials that are currently trending on Amazon and beyond. Stick around, because tool number 1 is a total lifesaver you've probably never seen before. The Radiate Portable Campfire is a game-changer for any camping trip. Imagine being able to start a fire with ease, without the struggle of finding dry kindling or worrying about starting a fire in a restricted area. With this portable campfire, you can have a fire anywhere, anytime, and the best part is it's environmentally friendly. Made from recycled soy wax and paper briquettes, the Radiate Portable Campfire has a 30-year shelf life and produces no smoky smell. Cleanup is a breeze, since it leaves no waste or traces of a fire pit. With 3 to 5 hours of burning time, the Radiate Portable Campfire is the perfect solution for cozy evenings in the great outdoors. Introducing the Ecto chair, a revolutionary cooling chair that utilizes ice water to provide an immediate and refreshing cold sensation when you sit in it. It's like sitting in a pool, but without getting wet. The Ecto chair offers adjustable cooling temperatures of 65, 55, or 45 degrees, depending on your preference. This chair comes with a built-in canopy, ensuring that the cooling experience is seamlessly integrated. Alternatively, the Ecto is also available in a roll-up version, allowing you to place it on any existing chair. Perfect for beach outings, simply throw it on a towel and you're ready to relax. The Ecto chair is connected to a cooler running off a battery backup, providing approximately 10 hours of runtime on high. Keep your cooler iced up, and you'll enjoy a consistently cool and comfortable seat, whether you're in the sun, the shade, or by the pool. Say goodbye to sweating and hello to relaxation with the Ecto chair. Introducing the new Hopper M20 Backpack Cooler, the perfect cooler for hands-free hauling. Hands-free hauling means that this cooler was specifically designed to take cold goods farther than they've ever gone before, thanks to its comfortable shoulder straps. It's ergonomically designed to be easy to carry and comfortable to wear, accommodating users of all heights. This cooler features our new mag shield access, keeping the top sealed shut when needed but staying open for easy loading and unloading. It's equipped with cold cell foam, capable of keeping up to 18 cans of your favorite beverage. Ice cold with a 2-to-1 ice to beer ratio. The strong magnets ensure a secure closure, and additional buckles provide an extra layer of protection. With plenty of space for a full day on the river, this cooler is versatile enough to fit a full bottle of wine standing upright. The leak-proof liner ensures that no water is left behind, making it ideal for placing in your trunk or on the floor. The ultra-durable dry hide shell on the outside means you can trust it even in rugged conditions. One standout feature is the hitch point grid, allowing you to connect accessories like the Sidekick dry gear case without having to open the cooler. This grid provides easy access to essentials without compromising the cooling environment. Built to move, this cooler is made for those on the go. So, let's get going. I had an extraordinary treetop camping experience with the Sile Stingray tent. Unlike your typical camping hammock, this unique tent maintains its floor tautness when set up correctly. Designed to accommodate 3 people, this suspended tent can be pitched over various terrains, elevating you above the cold, wet ground and away from insects and predators like snakes. The Sile Stingray tent is completely waterproof, providing a full enclosure for protection. Additionally, it offers underneath storage that doubles as a covered living space. Setting up the tent is a breeze, requiring just 3 ratchets and 2 poles, making it manageable even for a solo camper. Priced at $850, the Sile Stingray tent combines innovative design with functionality, offering a comfortable and secure camping experience high above the ground. Have you ever wished you could take your backyard Weber grill on the go? Look no further. This sleek and foldable gas grill is designed to be as portable as an urban grocery pushcart. When collapsed, it effortlessly rolls on two wheels and can easily fit into any car trunk or storage space. Despite its compact size, this grill boasts a surprisingly spacious grilling area, accommodating up to 15 burgers or 20 sausages at once. It offers the flexibility to use a 16-pound liquid propane cylinder directly or connect to a larger tank using an adapter hose. Priced at $400, this portable gas grill provides the convenience of taking your grilling experience wherever you go. Its combination of portability and ample grilling space makes it a versatile and practical choice for those who love to barbecue on the move. Hiker Power presents a versatile backpack that seamlessly integrates a power source, addressing the requirements of modern campers who venture into the wilderness with electronic devices. This backpack features a robust 600 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, boasting a 1000 watt maximum output and equipped with multiple ports for charging various devices. The battery can be recharged either from an electrical outlet or using the included 120 watt folding solar panel. The battery status is conveniently displayed on an LCD screen. In addition to its power capabilities, the backpack incorporates an adjustable angle LED panel offering 3 light levels. The ergonomic design prioritizes comfort, featuring padded belts, adjustable straps, and a breathable mesh back. The backpack is further enhanced with practical elements such as a detachable day pack, pockets for organized storage, gear hooks, LED lights, and IPX6 water-resistant properties. With a weight of 8 kilograms, this backpack proves to be a versatile outdoor companion. Priced at $250, it provides a comprehensive solution for campers seeking both functionality and convenience in their outdoor adventures. For safety reasons, your hiking backpack should only hold up to 20% of your body weight. Therefore, it's crucial to prioritize valuable space with multifunctional gear. Take, for instance, this multi-tool, providing access to 14 practical tools in one compact device. The core features include an axe and hammer, making it perfect for various outdoor tasks. Additionally, it incorporates a Phillips screwdriver and a bottle opener, adding versatility in different scenarios. In emergencies, this multi-tool can be a lifesaver, aiding you in cutting branches and wood for campfires or snares. All these features are available in one tool, priced at just $23. It's a cost-effective and efficient addition to your hiking gear, offering a range of functions in a compact and portable design. A clever camping backpack features a stove that, despite its compact size, is packed light and packs a punch, generating approximately 2,700 watts of heat. Impressively powerful, it can boil 2 cups of water in just 2 minutes. Setting it up is straightforward. Unfold the pot support legs, attach the stove to a canister with the control valve fully closed, and you're ready to cook. Priced at a reasonable $17, this stove is a practical and efficient choice for outdoor cooking. Its combination of portability, power, and user-friendly design makes it an ideal companion for camping and various outdoor activities. Manta 5 has captured the world's imagination with a revolutionary hydrofoil bike, providing a surreal cycling experience on the water. Now, the next iconic generation of foil bike, the Hydrofoiler SL3, is the cleanest, safest, and easiest electric hydrofoil on the market that anyone can ride. Powered with a 2.5 kilowatt electric motor and throttle, the SL3 has more than enough thrust to get you up foiling, carving, racing, or cruising along. The chassis acts as the bike's structure and buoyancy, while the lowered center of gravity ensures the bike stays upright and afloat, even when at a standstill, allowing for easy mounting to launch. High-aspect carbon foil options and the mechanically self-leveling tiller perfectly adjust your pitch to launch and punch through even the toughest of surface conditions. Enjoy peace of mind on and off the water with newly added safety features, including the propeller shroud and tilt sensors that cut the motor when you fall. The drivetrain directly drives the carburized steel gears for higher efficiency and reliability. The Hydropack battery is secured in dual-layer marine-grade protection and allows for adventures up to 4.5 hours. When you're done for the day, the SL3 breaks down into compact pieces with quick connection parts for easy transportation and compact storage. Cycling on the water is an incomparable biking experience, and as 1 billion bicycles dominate a planet covered by water, there's an epic migration of new water riders exploring surreal locations, training for gold, and simply enjoying the freedom of fitness on the water. Manta 5 is on a mission to make this thrilling new adventure accessible globally. The water is calling, and the fastest-growing category of water sports is answering with even more excitement and accessibility than ever. Join the race beyond your horizons. The new adventure is here. The EXO system offers unparalleled adaptability for your vehicle, catering to your lifestyle with over 21 combinations crafted from the EXO SwingBase and top shelf. The EXO SwingBase serves as the foundational element for your EXO system, transforming your vehicle's 2-inch hitch into the ultimate platform for hauling and organizing every piece of gear in your kit. This base is where all other EXO components attach, opening the door to a new gear hauling approach. The EXO SwingBase swings away from the car with loaded gear, providing easy access to the rear of the vehicle, regardless of what you're hauling. Thanks to the tool-free EXO cleat system and locking speed knobs, all EXO mounts install quickly and effortlessly. When not in use, the accessory arms fold in, maintaining a clear rear space for your vehicle. Mounting up the EXO SwingBase equips you with a versatile toolkit ready to haul just about anything to just about anywhere. Now, get out there and take it easy with the EXO system. Luxurious and comfortable with none of the weight and bulk of your pillow from home, Sea to Summit's Aeros premium pillows make the perfect travel and camping companions. Crafted from an exceptionally soft 50 denier polyester outer and a super strong, lightweight, high-frequency welded TPU air bladder, these pillows also feature added synthetic fill for extra padding and moisture wicking. The 3-way mini bowl valve incorporates a 1-way inflate port, a fine-tuned button to adjust pressure, and a rapid air deflate port, all in one tiny low-profile unit. The Aeros premium pillow is designed with curve stability baffles that cradle your head and a scalloped bottom edge that nestles into your shoulder for the ultimate night's sleep on the trails. For those seeking bedroom comfort in the backcountry, the full-size Aeros Premium Deluxe pillow is an ideal choice. To ensure your pillow stays in place on your sleeping mat, Sea to Summit includes unique pillow lock patches with all their new sleeping mats, eliminating the need for a lumpy stuff sack. Choose from the 195-gram Grand Deluxe, 114-gram Large, or 79-gram regular sizes, all of which pack away into a compact featherweight stuff sack, providing convenient comfort for any adventure. Introducing the Wakako Cuppa Mocha, a revolutionary travel companion that brings the art of pour-over coffee to the palm of your hand. Designed for on-the-go enthusiasts who crave a simple yet vibrant brew, the Cuppa Mocha is no larger than a cup, ensuring it effortlessly fits into your travel essentials. This compact and lightweight coffee maker houses a built-in coffee dripper and cone paper filters, guaranteeing a flawlessly clean and grounds-free brewing experience anywhere you wander. Crafted with precision, the Cuppa Mocha allows you complete control over crucial variables like water temperature, coffee, saturation, and extraction time. The result is a perfect pour-over process that unveils the intricate and subtle aromas inherent in your favorite coffee blends. The double-wall stainless steel mug maintains your brew at the optimal temperature for hours, while the leak-proof drinking lid ensures you can savor your coffee on the move without fear of spills. Elevate your coffee rituals to new heights and indulge in the tradition of pour-over brewing wherever your adventures take you with the innovative Wakako Cuppa Mocha.